Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's day 10 of the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's. And this I received from Cece's Trail Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And I am loving it. And let's go to day 10. And it's just so pretty. I mean, look at, what a wonderful gift under the tree to have. Or, if you started this before Christmas or after Christmas, whichever way you want to do it. 10 is right here. So these little pinchy things here. And ouch. All right, let's see. It looks interesting if I can get it out of there. Okay. It's a little glass bottle. Oh, wow. This is Goldie, which is an excellent brand of skincare. This is Vinyl Perfect. I've had this before. I've had the Vinyl Perfect line in Goldie. It's from Paris, but I don't know that I've had this exact one. This says it's a Radiance Serum, Complexion Correcting. So isn't that beautiful, y'all? It's a little glass bottle and it has a dropper. So I'm excited to try that one too. I have so many, a lot of these little ones I've been using and just, like mixing here and there. It doesn't have a scent, but it looks good and creamy. So I'm happy to try that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Laura and Cece. I'm just enjoying this calendar, both calendars so much, and I hope y'all are enjoying the giveaway as well. It's been a lot of fun for me, and yeah. So anyway, we've got and for today, I have the Sweet Shimmer Sweet Pomegranate Moisturizing Hand Mask. So this is by the brand Groovy Beauty. It says on the back, made in China, Groovy Beauty, and sweet pomegranate scent. And these are, so that what they are gloves. And then, you put them on and leave them on for usually, it says 20 minutes. And then when you take off the gloves, you massage in any excess. And they're very lovely for moisturizing your hands. So that is what we have today for the Advent calendar. And I hope that y'all are enjoying this. I'm enjoying it immensely, y'all. I'm having a good time. I hope you are too. And let me know if you have any questions about the giveaway. And we'll be done before you know it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. I hope so far you're having a great new year.